threading. 100% polyester, which means it's washable. I actually like that better. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's look it up on our... Okay. Silky Sleep Set by Zoe Alea. It's a woman-owned business. Upgrade your sleep ritual with Zoe Alea's, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, luxuriously soft, silky beauty sleep collection. Sleeping with these silky accessories will give you one more beauty sleep, beautiful skin and softer hair. The kit includes an eye mask, a pillowcase, and scrunchies. May you sleep in heavenly peace and dream of a white Christmas. I love all the little attention to detail when they are, you know, telling you about the product. I just think that's really, it's special. And you can tell that they put a lot of thought into this, y'all. So yeah, that is so a perfect gift right there. Like, I want to give this as a gift. Because I already have that other mask for the sleep thing. And also, I would love to give a really nice pillowcase to someone, because it is not only just good for your hair, not getting all that scrunched up look and just the where it goes on your hair. It's also good for your skin when you roll over and touch it. It's just that it slides, and so it doesn't stick and cause you to get wrinkles. And you know, you wake up sometimes in the morning, you got those bed wrinkles. That's what a satin pillowcase or a silk pillowcase prevents. So that would be a nice gift. Y'all, a lot of these could be really nice presents. Okay, let's see. What is the next thing that we are going to get? Hold on. Let me see. Why don't I go in order? So, what's next? Ava Nano Facial Steamer Bundle from Dermaletics, woman-owned business, a do-good company. Y'all, these are expensive things that I got in my box. This facial steamer elevates everyday grooming and self-care to spa level. Relax, reduce stress, and regulate your mood while using the steamer that gradually releases vapor into the air. There are so many benefits into this skincare tool. It opens pores to remove dirt and oil, removes dead skin cells to allow maximum replenishment, and allows moisturizing lotion and other nutrients to be more easily absorbed. You can steam before shaving, exfoliating to prep and purify your skin, all while preventing ingrown hairs. And including in this bundle is a stainless steel toolkit for professional facial care. Oh my gosh. Well, it sure is. So this is about your complexion and moisture. My goodness. And it says the Chrisley box exclusive. It's a nano facial. So this isn't the big, huge kind. Let's see what it is. Let's see how big it is. I've never had one, y'all. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby one. Look at the size. Hold on. And here is your little facial tool set. And, you know, that's things about trying to clear things off of your skin. What is this? Please do not add more than 50 milliliters of water. So they give you a little measuring cup to make sure you know how much. Oh my gosh, y'all, they give such good stuff in this box. I will tell you the way that I do this. I put this on my MasterCard, and I pay it off in 2 payments instead of 1. But I do love this subscription. That is wonderful. So that's the size right there. I'm not going to take the plastic off right now to save time. But yes, you would put that on, and that's what you do. You sit over it and let it just open your pores. And then, you know, I would definitely wash my face first. Put that, turn this on, open your pores, and then you can do your skincare routine. I'm going to have to get one. I actually do have so many skincare products, but I don't think I have a specific routine yet. I really don't, even after all these years. I try so many new things. But that's part of a skincare routine, is trying some new products, so that's okay too. Because we just got some to try. Alright, so that's that. Oh gosh, y'all, this is such a good box. Alright, what's next? Lymphatic Face Massager from Ava Kensington, woman-owned business, do good company. Revive and enhance your skin for a more youthful look with the silver tone facial roller made with germanium and 24 black tourmaline stones that help balance positive negative ions, ultimately preventing prematuring aging. And you put it on quick. The thoughtfully placed acupuncture pods stimulate lymphatic drainage to reduce puffiness, while increasing blood flow for a smoother, more toned complexion. So what I would say is in the morning, once you wash your face and you're nice and clean, let's do this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't know what that is. I don't see it. Where is it? It must be this. Yes. What a nice box. I love black with gold. Again, this is Ava Kensington. Can y'all see that? And it is the Lymphatic Facial Massager. Oh, very cool. So these are little stones. And what you're doing, you probably need to put a battery in this or something. I don't really know how this works. I'll have to figure it out. Oh, it has instructions there. Anyway, because I have makeup on, I don't want to put this on because I would only put this on a clean face. But when you roll it, those little stones, which obviously warm, kind of mooshes out this lymphatic system to, and it does help when you do things like that, massaging it, especially with these little stones. What happens is it increases your blood circulation, which helps to reduce pooching on your face and to get the lymph nodes to clear out toxins out of your system. So that's going to be very cool. Very nice. Again, these are very unique, what's the word I want to use? Pampering. These are pampering devices. Again, if you're like, I would never in a million years use that, give that as a nice gift to your bestie. That'd be a nice present. Okay. What's next? Let's see. It must be this. This is a custom star necklace from Vibella. We hope each time you wear your 24-karat gold-plated necklace, you remind yourself you're a star in our eyes. The custom piece was created by Vibella, a company that believes that their purchases can impact poverty. The mission at Vibella is centered on providing a path out of poverty for artisans and a deep desire to form a community for them that is encouraging and prayerful, in addition to creating steady income for their artisans. Vibella also provides school scholarships for their children, and they give back to schools and orphanages. And, oh, wait a minute. This is not what this is. That is obviously a Christmas ornament from somewhere else. Where is this? I'm seeing two other things that I want real bad. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Sorry. Here it is, Vibella. Let's see. Hold on. Let's get it out of here. This would be a wonderful thing to give as a gift. And the fact that it is such a do company, that they're helping people get out of poverty by letting these artisans, first of all, they have a living. It's not just, oh, we're going to hand you money. It's like, we're going to hand you a way to make a living. And I love that. You know, instead of giving someone fish, teach them how to fish. Oh, how pretty. I wonder if Vibella was the one that we also got in another package that was an olive branch. That is very beautiful, and it's that 24-karat gold plate. I would say about gold plate, key thing is you wear it, you would not wear it like I'm wearing this. This is gold, and it's not plated. So I would wear it on material, like a t-shirt or something that it can lay on top of the material. Either make sure you don't have any oils on your skin, and definitely do not shower with them because plate will come off, y'all. But it's a beautiful piece to wear and a wonderful gift. And you would just tell somebody, be sure and take it off at night. Beautiful little star. It's a very flashy little star. I like it. That is very, very nice. Love it. Now this came in this, but you could put it in a little gift box you have and give that as a gift. That's a beautiful little necklace. I like that a lot. Okay. Alright, and then next is the Snowy Slipper Warmies. Y'all, I will just tell you already, I'm in love. These are weighted. It says they luxurious, put them in the microwave for 90 seconds to provide an hour of soothing warmth. That's why they're heavy. There's something in here that when you microwave it for 90 seconds, and you think, how can that microwave? But they will give you soothing, when your little feet are so tired from the day. My dogs are going ballistic, so I can tell. And that's Warmies. Let me show you the box. My dogs are going ballistic. These came out of the box. Oh, and it explains what the seconds should be. Gosh, they're heavy, and they're scented with French lavender, so there's a little pouch in there is why it's heavy, so that when you microwave it, there's like gel or something in there. You'll notice a little moisture on the surface of the fabric. It's quite normal. For cooling release, simply put it in the freezer and chill for at least 3 hours. I may do that, because sometimes chill is better than warmth. Okay, the other things are this beautiful devotional, y'all. Look at this. This is Be Still, 90 Devotions for the Hopeful Heart, and this is from Clear Cherry. We will transform your quiet time with 90 heart-warming devotions, scriptures, and heartfelt prayers, and a calming message. Whoops, that's not that. Okay, so this is, first of all, it's very pretty. Very beautiful coloring. This kind of beige paper. Our gray. What else? I see another color in here. What else is the other color? Oh, I like this, y'all. It's got kind of a rose. It's got a beautiful kind of teal blue. Then it's got like a beigey sage green. And then it's also got like a gray. And it has a scripture, a message, and a prayer. That's the standard thing for a devotional, but this one's particularly beautiful, and I can't wait to try it out and see it. Hold on 1 second. Hey, I'm on my way. Sorry, y'all, I gotta hurry up and do this last thing. Alright, the last thing is a recipe card from Julie. So excited. They gave us a recipe book in the last Christmas one, or you could just get a 4x6 picture holder to put this in. So excited. Recipe chocolate pound cake. Well, y'all, that's it. I encourage you to subscribe because it's a great box, isn't it? All right, y'all. Love you. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.